Hello and a very warm welcome to the Platform of Success capsule. In this video, we will discuss the general guidelines for the CBSE exams 2020-21 for the grade 10th and 12th. Please do listen the video carefully as it will help you a lot if you are preparing for the exam. First of all, the CBSE released the date sheets of its class 10th and 12th examinations on February 3, which are scheduled to take place between May 4 and June 10. This is the main thing, that exams are being conducted between May 4 and June 10. The date sheet has been out, and this time a new thing, which is afternoon shift, has been introduced for the class 12 students. So there will be afternoon shift for class 12 students. So as in regular years, the CBSE board exams were conducted by late February and early March, but due to the COVID-19 pandemic situation, the written CBSE exams will begin on May 4 in 2020-21. So usually the CBSE board exams were conducted by late February and early March, but due to COVID-19 pandemic situation, as the schools were closed for several months, so time has been given to the students. This year in 2021, the written CBSE board examinations will begin on May 4. So the date sheet has been released earlier in advance, just to relax the students, to reduce the stress of students and help them in better preparation for their examinations. So the last exam for class 10 will be held on June 7, and for class 12 it will be June 11, the last date of the exam. So now talking about difference in the duration of the CBSE examinations this year. So now let's talk, is there any difference in the duration of the CBSE examinations this year? So there has been attempt to reduce the number of days dedicated to the examination. So schools which will function as exam centers will be able to use the days for their own activities. While in 2020, the examinations had been conducted over 45 days or 50 days, this year 75 class 10 papers and 111 class 12 papers will be conducted over in 39 days. So from the earlier duration of 50 days, the duration has been reduced to 39 days. The exams have been scattered in such a way that too many candidates will not be writing their papers on any given day. Sufficient time has been given between the examinations of two main subjects in both the classes. This will reduce the stress of the students and help them in better preparation for the examinations. So if there will be two main subjects, there will be sufficient time in between, there will be language paper, so the students can get time for better preparation. As we discussed that the exam schedule has been cut short. Now how it has been cut short? This year class 12 exam will be conducted over two shifts. On 4 days there will be class 12 papers conducted in the afternoon shift from 2:30 to 5:30 p.m. and mostly these papers will be language paper, which are not offered in any of the CBSE schools located outside India. The afternoon shift exams with limited candidates will be conducted in a small number of centers and will be held on those days on which class 12 subjects with maximum number of candidates, which is English, science, mathematics and social science, will be conducted in the morning shift. No school staff who had work in the morning shift will be given duty in afternoon shift to deburden them and keeping in view pandemic. So the board has already released the previous year question papers and their marking schemes for all the subjects including accountancy, physics, mathematics, biology and psychology. Due to the hardships the students faced during COVID lockdown period, the board has reduced the syllabus considerably. The students who are preparing must prepare according to the new syllabus as prescribed by the CBSE. We wish best of luck to all those students who are appearing in CBSE exams this year. If you like this information, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.